Room 11. This video is for May 7th. Today in history, you're going to have some time to study and get ready for the test. But before we go on with that, I want to read a verse to you from 2 Thessalonians chapter 3. It's verse 13, and it says, "As for you, brothers, do not grow weary in doing good." It's very similar to the verse that I shared the other day from Galatians, but it's just a reminder again of how we need to keep working hard. We need to keep doing good and persevering through things that sometimes might be a little difficult. One translation I read said, "Never tire of doing what is good." So even though you might be getting a little tired, you might be getting a little weary of watching videos and taking tests and quizzes on the computer, just keep persevering, keep working hard, because it will all be worth it. So as I said, today you're going to spend your time studying for the Civil War test. But before we go on with that, I want to give a shout out to two very special people that have birthdays this month. So Grayson celebrated his birthday on May 3rd. Happy birthday, Grayson. This is a little late. I'm sorry that I didn't mention this earlier, but I hope that you had a really fun and special birthday. And Kaylee's birthday is today. So happy birthday, Kaylee. And I wish that we were at school so we could celebrate both of you and help you have a fun and special day, but I'm sure that you are feeling loved by your family or felt loved by your family, and I'm sure this is a birthday that you will never forget. All right, so today you're studying for the Civil War test, and I had an idea to share with you about a way that you could help yourself get ready and study and be prepared for the test. Last time you filled in your notes, your study sheets, and so you should have those all filled in. If you haven't yet, make sure you watch that video so you can get them all filled in. Make sure that you do the word search at the bottom of the first page. But then, to help you study even more than just going back and rereading the notes, you could take the information from your notes and you could make flashcards. Flashcards are a really good study tool. What you can do is you can write the event or the person's name or whatever it might be on one side, and then the definition or the explanation of that on the other side. So I wrote on this one as an example, Fort Sumter. And then on the back it says First Battle of the Civil War. So as I was going through my flashcards, if I was studying for the test, I could look at this and I could say Fort Sumter. Well, I think that was the first battle of the Civil War. And then I turn it over, check myself, and I've got it correct. And then after you go through those a few times, just put aside the ones that you know right off the bat, and then go over the ones that maybe you weren't quite sure of. So that's just a helpful study hint for you, and use this time today to read over your notes, make flashcards if you want to, study for the test, and then next time I'll explain the directions for the test. Thanks for watching this video.